What the fuck was that?
Bound off Barry Road, that's causing some delays to build on approach. Follow the direction of emergency services. Consider taking Cooper Street and Cooper Freeway to get down to the Ring Road. Addington Waverley, 2 lanes are closed on Springbar Road, southbound just before Ferntree Gully Road. Crews are repairing a power pole that was damaged this morning. The right lane is getting past.
Here comes the buckwheat.
Whoa!
Into it for a second,
Man.
and then a couple days later, after there were like 400-foot geysers as like these shafts were filling with water and the air was being displaced.
Wow.
And a couple days later, after the water pressure stabilized, like 9 of the barges popped back up and like went.
Chắc cái gì đó lấy sambar deh na.
What the fuck are you doing, you dumb? What the fuck was that?
Good job! What the fuck are you doing? What the actual fuck is that?
$70 a month in no lock-in contract. Or pay $1017.89 to switch before August 31. Minimum cost $145. Discount for first 6 months. New and operating customers only.
At Australian Red Cross Lifeblood, when you take time to give blood, you give time to those who need it most.
Stop fucking cockheads, mate. Don't even bother, mate. You're a fucking cockhead, that's why.
So make time for life and book a donation at your local donor centre by searching Give Blood today.
Stupid fucking morons don't know how to fucking drive.
Take the next right onto Morris Road.
have another moron who doesn't know how to fucking park 5 metres from the fucking roundabout.
Niners should leave agents to take it off.
Full run a red light.
Fuck.
Area masih busy ni. Bosudino bija betul area busy.
Already, but he's the first guy that made removable and movable frames.
Yeah.
Which apparently bees will have a tendency to tie their honeycombs into the wall of the box, let's say. And with those removable and movable frames, I couldn't do that anymore. And apparently that made it really easy to make.
I should tell her he don't talk, I don't fuck with her. Yeah, I used to hit it, but you're stuck with her. Man, I wouldn't even try my luck with her. Yeah, let's say I'm bougie, way too exclusive.
You're a fucking idiot. See that? Fucking assholes.
Fucking trucks all the fucking time. Fuck me. Fuck.
I don't want to change because I'm good where I'm at.
Oh, bro.
This dude's such a bad guy.
A few minutes later.
So close to my house. Oh my god. That's called road rage. At least you got that much further in front of me, eh?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, right, mate.
We make junk disappear. All you have to do is point. When our queen
Fucking. Sorry, buddy.
What's this guy doing?
He's trying to kill everyone.
And you get a clean, happy place. 1-800-GOTCHUNK.com.au.
Taking his number.
We even like seeing into the future. Seriously. Our advanced OCT 3D eye scanner can help us see future road problems. So book an eye test
No, it's right. It'll come up on the video.
Garden World proudly supplying Melbourne gardeners with plants, pots and fertilisers for over 40 years. And right now, you can purchase your favourite nursery products online or call 9791 0111 for prompt delivery to your front door. Order your plants, potting mix, mulch and fertiliser.
Overflow leads the last of all, rounding the third, Jack's Bale flying in front. Favourite 6 clear. In second, Providence Bale, then Das Ascend, but in
packing first to hit what I'm doing. Details in these matters were often complex, but important delays in resolving breaches of military discipline which affected potential safety of other people, so you found. Many
Where's